Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sayyid Babar Ali School of Science and Engineering and this safety orientation training. Um, in safety orientation, we will see some very basics of occupational health and safety. What? Oh, so we need to prevent such incidents. That is why safety trainings are so critical. So be here. You are in a safe zone. I'll be right back. I'm back. Things are under control, so let us have a quick tour of the school. Starting from the entrance, we have 4 glass doors at the entrance, and it is such a luxury. And also, in case of emergency, these are very helpful because you can easily evacuate, right? And then we have stairs. These stairs can lead you to down to the basement, and then also stairs to the top. And then we have this information board. This is a very helpful information board. It can provide you the information about the departments floor wise, like dean's office fourth floor, chemistry and chemical engineering department fourth floor, biology third floor, electrical engineering second floor, physics and mathematics first floor, computer science ground floor, other labs, and NIC in the basement. Okay, so let's move forward. These stairs can also lead you to the top floors, but I will not use these because I don't want to burn any calories. Yeah, so I will use these elevators, and I am on the ground floor, so it's the computer science floor, and I have wings on the right and left, right? So these wings have some names, so remember those names. So in case of any emergency, you can tell that, okay, I am in this wing and on this floor, so it will be easy to track you down. Okay, so while using elevators, be a bit careful, like stand a bit away from the door, like so that you don't get into some sort of injury. Okay, so let us use the elevator, and I want to go to chemistry and chemical engineering floor. So that is, yes, fourth floor. So elevators have this emergency phone, and I can use this phone if I am in sort of emergency and I'm stuck in the elevator. This will connect me to the facility and engineering department, and they can help me out. So okay, so I'm out. So I'm out now, and I am on the fourth floor, which is chemistry and chemical engineering floor, and it has the same structure like right and left, and each wing has a name. So okay, in front of me I can see dean's office, and I can also see some fire equipments and emergency exit sign, and this sign is showing me the way downward. It means that I have to exit using these stairs, and I cannot use the elevators in case of emergency because you can stuck in the elevator, right, due to power failure. Okay, so moving forward, I will try to enter a wing. This is a notice board, and it has some useful informations. So I need to enter the wing, and I will use my card, and I will open, and okay, now I'm inside. So these are the fire equipments, fire hoses, and this, you see, this is a lab, and you see some floor marking. These floor marking indicates hazardous area, and okay, so I just saw some, this is a notice board, and okay, I saw some map. Let me go back and see it again. This is an evacuation map. You can see this map in each wing. This will give you a guideline. Okay, where is the fire equipment, where is the emergency shower, where is the exit. See, so this is a very useful map, so you should know about this map. And I'm trying to go at the end of this corridor. Okay, so this is the emergency exit of this wing, and I need to use this door in case of any sort of emergency. What is OHS? OHS is Occupational Health and Safety, and is a multidisciplinary field concerned with safety and health of people at occupation, and the primary goal of OHS is to prevent incidents. School has a OHS policy that shows the direction, vision, and the commitment of management towards safety of faculty, staff, students, and visitors. And this policy is signed by the dean of the school. Hazard, the basic term in OHS, hazard is defined as anything that has potential to cause harm. We have different types. Fire hazard, ethanol is a fire hazard. Then fall hazard, slip, trip, fall. And then we have chemical hazard. All chemicals are hazardous apart from water. And then we have biological hazard, microbes, RNAs, and so on. And then we have radiation hazard, UV light, lasers, and so on. And then we have ergonomic hazard. If you're sitting in an awkward position, you can have neck ache, back ache, and so on. Then we have safety signage, focus on the color and also on the sign and anything else on the sign. Yellow and black shows hazardous sign, and then red and white shows fire equipment sign. And then this sign is very obvious, it's a prohibition sign, and you are not supposed to do anything if you see this sign, but we do the opposite anyway. Okay, then we have this emergency exit sign, and then we have mandatory sign, blue and white. Floor marking, this floor marking, black and yellow, it shows hazardous area. And then we have this floor marking, it shows fire equipment, and this it shows pathways and equipments, you know. And then this is emergency exit floor marking. Incident, an unwanted event that leads to injury or damage, right? That is called incident. And it can be further divided into accident. An accident is something that leads to damage or injury. For example, any injury, any first aid case, any major injury, or any equipment damage, like overheating of multi-plug can lead to fire. And then near miss, near miss is like near to accident. Like for example, this picture shows that okay, it was like near to an accident. What a mess, right? So how to report it, let us see how we can report an incident. So going on the school's website, clicking report an incident, and then clicking on this form and just filling it like I have filled it right now. Acid splash in the eyes of the student, and then writing the date, and then the time of the incident, and what was the outcome. Severe itching in the eyes, or you can say it severe itching in the right eye, or maybe, yeah, I need to write it for some reason. Okay, then immediate response was emergency eye wash was used for 15 to 20 minutes, and some description like a student was performing XYZ experiment with hydrochloric acid and suddenly a splash in the eyes, and then student ID and what lab was it is, and then supervisor's name. Then upload the picture if there was any picture of the damaged eye or anything, and then click submit. Safety observation, and it includes unsafe acts like horseplay in the lab, unsafe conditions like damaged wire, and good practices. Let's see how to report a safety observation. Go to the LUMS website and yeah, like click on the safety observation and then fill out the form and choose the safety observation you want to report, like it's an unsafe condition, and then date of the observation, then time of the observation, and then what's the location, the department, what did you see, and then what did you do. Take the picture of the unsafe condition and then submit this observation. So why it is important to report incidents, minor incidents, near misses, unsafe facts, unsafe conditions, because we need to prevent major incidents and death. So from a research of different incidents, accident triangle was created, and it shows that behind one death there are like 10 serious incidents, and then behind 10 serious incidents there are 30 minor incidents, and behind that there are 600 near misses, and behind there are a lot of unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. Safety violation. A safety violation may include tampering or misuse of fire equipment, emergency exit, first aid equipment, smoking in a no-smoking area, and then working in labs without mandatory PPEs, or violation of any other lab safety rule. And the violation may result into any disciplinary action that may be termination of lab access. Emergency numbers. So these are the emergency numbers you can call from landline and from mobile phone: security, safety, and medical.